Hello everybody, it's Rita again, and I'm out here, yes, with my another new project. And this one is in Belville in Cape Town, and we just got the keys, so I thought let me do a little bit of a before video. We're going to make some changes to this property, and I'll give you a view of what that will be. And yeah, this property, I'm gonna quickly switch over. That one you would recognize from all our other videos is one that we bought with our Reinfinity Trust, and those guys co-own that property with us. And then this one right next door we just bought with one of our franchisees partners, and yeah, she's very excited, as are we, to do our first deal together. So I'm going to take you into the house quickly and show you around. So here we're going into the front door, and on here we'll put in a electronic lock. That's one of the flats. I'll show you from the other side when we go in there. So quite nice that they closed this up. Helps for sun and heat and security and everything all at once. Going into the front door, and I'll take you to the left first. So you'll see here's quite a big room. This is actually big enough for 4 people, but we find that people generally don't want to share 4 in a room, so we'll probably just do 2 people in here, and in the long run change that into maybe a separation of some sorts to do more than the 2. Here's another room, quite a lot of cupboards. Should be able, oh, you'll see throughout the house there's also these desks standing around. So guys, you can, when you buy properties, don't forget to ask the owner for all his extra stuff. So we bought all of these for quite good prices. No, I don't have to go buy and get all of that together. That we're going to change into 2 desks. Here's the bathroom and the toilet. This is quite a nice room because it's going to have 2 people, but they've got their own little kitchenette and their own bathroom and a door to the outside, so it's that this room has its own entrance. Now, oh, let me go back. This bathroom will probably change at some point because it's got a big bath and a shower with lots of brickwork, which I don't understand. And we probably need another shower in this main house. So we'll probably change that at some point. Not now, because obviously we haven't optimized here yet. We'll probably do the optimization at the end of 2022, just because we'll have more time. So this is sort of a common space. This is where the dining room used to be, and we're going to do the like a bit of drywalling and do a room there. Massive kitchen, very beautiful kitchen with a separate scullery area. So we'll do our washing machines and everything here. This is the flat that I showed you from the front. You'll see we just did a bit of setup here already, and there's a shower in there as well, and a toilet, and another single room just behind there. So this is also quite a big lounge, which is a little bit of wasted space. So we'll see what we can do with that when we optimize as well. Alright, so I'm going to go to the back. Okay, so here, what's quite nice is there's a big common area here as well. So this is quite a nice indoor braai area. We can have some proper entertainment area here for the kids, and this side is a little bit of a makeshift area, so we'll just formalize it, get some proper walls going and ceiling and so on. Then we can drywall it and make a room there as well. The cool part as well is that, so there it's like a triple garage, and so there's a toilet already, so we want to do like a shower there as well, and then that space over there can have its own toilet, and potentially we'll do a kitchen there as well. so that they can have their own kitchen and toilet. Then this can become self-sustaining area, and we can either do some double rooms or quite a lot of single rooms. I'm not sure exactly what yet. We have the contractor coming out tomorrow, and he can then give us a view of exactly what can be done there. So nice. The previous owner also left us some paint and everything there, so that's quite cool. You see here from the back what it looks like. And yeah, then I'll just go around, and there's more, guys, more, because there's another flat here at the back that I can show you quickly. So this flat has its own little kitchen area, quite a big room, which will probably get 2 students in, and a bathroom. This place needs a little bit of work before we'll put someone in here. So we'll paint it out and maybe retile the bathroom a bit, just to freshen it up and neaten it up a little bit. And yeah, the other nice part that I mentioned before is there's the house that we own, and we're going to make a hole in there in the wall so that we can just use one house mother across both of these properties, and make some efficiencies going. Get that here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. This is a walkthrough. I'll do another one after we finished and did everything we wanted to do, maybe some progress things in between. So if you want to get updates on this property, or you want to learn how to do it as well, or you want to partner with us and do something like this, then definitely subscribe to the channel, click that bell button so that you get notified when we release something, and send us a message with your details and what you would like to do, and we'll be in touch. Bye.